Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen and you're watching capsule-pharma news. Friends, if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So don't wait and let us get into today's news. Coming to the first news, Seven Hills College of Pharmacy is organizing a webinar on pharmaceutical quality system organized by Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis, Seven Hills College of Pharmacy, Tirupati, by speaker Mr. Narendra Kumar, Associate Director and Site Quality Head, Dr. Reddy Labs, Vizag. And this is going to be held on 11th July, that is tomorrow, from 3 pm to 4 pm. Friends, if you want to participate in this webinar, the registration link is in the description. You can go to the description of this video and register yourself. And e-certificate will be provided upon the successful participation. Friends, coming to the next news, a webinar on chiral chromatography organized by Division of Analytical Chemistry, Interdisciplinary Institute of Indian System of Medicine, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, in association with SPNCO Biotech Limited, Chennai. If you want to register for this webinar, the registration link is in the description. Go to the description of this video and register yourself. And the registration is free and the date and time of this webinar is 15th July 2020 and 2:30 pm Indian Standard Time. And after registration, a confirmation mail will come to your registered email ID and all the proceedings will be communicated through the email ID only. And e-certificate will be provided after submission of feedback form. Friends, these are the details about this webinar. If you want to participate, as I already said, the registration link is in the description. Go to the description of this video and register yourself. Friends, coming to the next news, VV Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences is organizing a webinar on Virtual Pharmacology Experimentation Softwares on 14th July 2020 at 9:30 am to 11 am by speaker Dr. Dharmendra Ahuja, Member Board of Management Director, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Friends, if you want to register for this webinar, the registration link is in the description. Go to the description of this video and register yourself. And you can also watch this webinar via live through their YouTube channel. Registration is free of cost and e-certificate will be provided after submission of feedback form. Friends, this is the news available for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and share this with your friends.